The 3 months from May to July 2007 were the wettest since records began. They resulted in damage to approximately 48,000 homes and 7,000 businesses. The rainfall and the events that followed were a wake-up call to individuals and government alike. The notable difference this time was the appointment by ministers of Sir Michael Pitt to carry out a full review of the flood-related emergencies. What is certainly being promoted through his findings is the increased use of modern preventative measures already available and arguably underutilised by planners and the construction industry alike. We are now seeing a steady growth in the uptake of proven quality solutions to control and prevent flooding. From concept to completion, all stakeholders are now being actively encouraged to offer a coherent and unified approach and to embrace the available technology. We specialise in sustainable urban drainage systems, providing expertise and experience from design through to installation. Following the Pitt report, our innovative and comprehensive solutions are finding even more favour as clients strive to address these pressing stormwater problems. Previous legislation and initiatives such as Planning Policy 25 and Part 8 of the Building Regulations are now being robustly reinforced, and we are for the first time seeing a seriously coordinated approach to the problem. We offer sensible, cost-effective engineered solutions to surface water management control. Our attenuation systems are purpose-designed and store rainwater from storm events, safely discharging at controlled rates. We can design systems to a client's or local authority's requirement, controlling discharge of rainwater to agreed rates accommodating the worst storm in 100 years. In order for a cellular attenuation tank to meet the criteria it was designed for, it must be wrapped in an impermeable geomembrane installed to meet performance criteria defined in the BBA certificate of the cell manufacturer. It is also important to demonstrate the integrity of the welded joints by non-destructive testing. We take our quality standards from the landfill industry and use only heavyweight 0.75mm LLDPE membrane, which meets all requirements on the majority of installations, and a 1mm HDPE, where ground conditions need to take into account contamination such as hydrocarbons. The installation you are watching was completed comfortably inside 2 days, keeping site disruption to a minimum, freeing up valuable space and time within the construction program. The marketplace is blighted by lightweight, inferior products lacking a recognised independent quality assurance such as a BBA certification. Our designs use only established premium products professionally installed and sealed with our own tested welding. We will not compromise on quality. Sirius states in its SUDS manual, it is essential to seal the joints between adjacent sheets of impermeable geomembrane correctly. Geomembrane designed to be impermeable should be of adequate strength and must be seamed properly using proprietary welding techniques only. Geomembrane would not be fit for purpose if jointed with tape, as the integrity of the system would rely on the mechanical properties of the tape. Some super heavy-duty applications, particularly those involving deep inverts, heavy loadings, serious vehicular traffic and local authority adoption, demand the long-term robustness and maintenance access that only concrete can bring. By combining our stormwater design and contracting experience, we can offer, nationwide, a wide range of precast cross-wall attenuation tank solutions to complement our plastic solutions. We also offer a combined design approach with piling, precast ground beams, all addressed in one in-the-ground structural package. Our bespoke approach to surface water management also includes the offer of specifically designed and manufactured package pumping stations. To complement the surface water package where a foul drainage discharge is not available, we offer a large range of packaged sewage treatment plants designed to meet Environmental Agency discharge consent levels. We are able to match designs and engineering requirements, usually providing a delivered product within 14 days or sooner for smaller orders, either standalone or as part of an engineered total package. Our products lend themselves to ease of installation, often providing the added benefit of significant savings in relation to digging and concrete costs when compared to cylindrical competitors. With prices for utilities, including water, consistently spiralling upwards, rainwater harvesting is being increasingly utilised on new developments.
So this represents the downpipe in a domestic house. Water is collected through here and then goes through underground to the chamber here, which is going into the leaf filter, which is used to collect the large items such as bird droppings, moss, leaves obviously. Water cascades down here. Any clean water filters through the mesh, 440 micron mesh, into the tank. The dirty water then is collected here and eventually needs to be removed probably about twice a year.
The system we're looking at today is a gravity-based system. After the water's gone through the leaf filter that we saw earlier, it comes into your storage tank. The size of your storage tank is calculated for your particular requirements based upon the amount of rainfall in your area, the occupancy of your building and the usage that you're going to put the water to. The stored water goes through a second stage of filtration. There's a floating filter in your tank which draws the water from approximately 4 to 6 inches below the surface level. That water is then ready to be pumped through a series of pipework into your header tank.
In the gravity-based system, water is pumped from the tank into a header tank normally located in the loft. This goes through a 110 micron filter. We normally recommend these for our installations. Water then goes through into the header tank for final distribution into the home. This can be used for all non-potable uses such as WCs, washing machines and outside for external irrigation.
The whole system is controlled through a monitoring unit which makes sure that your tank never runs dry, switching over to mains water as required. We see huge development for rainwater harvesting.
We are your service provider, ready and able to solve all types of surface water problem and service your requirements. We look forward to your inquiry. Call us.